If you're brand new to vCard, you should have received an email, a welcome email as well. That welcome email will have on it your vCard name and your security code, but you can also log into vCard, and right here on the editor homepage of the vCard, you also can get your vCard name and security code, which I'm going to now add. And when you log in with your vCard name and security code, you will also, it's good that you can log into multiple devices, and all the information that you save will be attached to that. So that's why you want to pick one card, and with one security code, because all your groups, all your contacts, all your notes, any of your settings, everything that you've set up in this app, you can then get a new phone or log into another device, and you'll have all that information ready for you. So this is the vCard Global Mobile app. I'm going to click on Rebecca's card here, and she can start to share immediately. So we've got this share button here. I'll just show you how that works. I'm going to click on the share button, and I've got a choice. I can share by email or share by text. Let's just do a quick share by text so you can see what this looks like. Wow, look at that. See, we've got our picture there. This is what's going out. And I'm going to share this to someone. It's got, let's just do it right now. And we'll send that off. And there it came back to me. We'll click on it. And there we go. So what happens is if I click on this link, I'm not even sure what's going to happen. Let's see. It's probably going to say it's already in my contacts. You have tapped your own link. Do you want to view your card? Yes, I want to view my card. Thank you. So this is your card. When you send it to someone who doesn't have the vCard Global Mobile app, they can use this download vCard right here, and that will download it into their phone, okay? So we'll download all of your information into their phone, and they'll have it on the native contacts. They can also, if they don't have the app, they can also use this share button, and this is where you just type in an email address, and it will send out a quick referral. It's a great way to get referrals, so they can do it that way. For you though, when you're sharing, let me show you some of the new features that we've got here with vCard. So I'm going to go back to my contacts, and I've got a few people who've been sharing cards with me. So I'm going to go to my text messages here, and I'm going to just go through and look at a few of those text messages. I know, we've got James in here. So we've got James Henderson in here, and I can click on his link here. And it says it's not in my contacts, so I can click on add to contacts where it automatically adds it. I can click on go to his contact here. And then if I want to view his card, you see here we've got the view card, and I can click on that. It will open up his card. I can also share his card by text or email. You can just open that, see, by text or email. I can download his contact directly into my phone if I want it in my native contacts on my phone. Or I can follow him as well. I'm going to click follow. So now that I'm following James, if James makes any changes, if James adds a coupon or special, okay, or if James adds an event that he's putting on or wants me to know about an event, that will show up in my notifications. So I'll show you where your notifications are. So let's go back here to my contacts. You can see the contacts that we have in here so far. And the notifications are this little button right here. There's a clock. You click on that, and that's where you can see notifications. Right now, we've got the only notification there is that we've got a new app build out. And that's where you can also see any notifications vCard has for you. And like I said, notifications here that maybe James might have for me or Michael might have for me if I'm following them. A quick way to add a contact is you can just click on add contact, and then you can just type in the name, the vCard name. So I'm going to say vCard demo, add this contact, and go to Celine's profile here. And then you can see I can click on view card, and that will also open up her card. So that's how you can easily add contacts. And like I said, it makes it easy. If you've got a network of people that you are working to promote their business and they're promoting yours, get everybody in vCard. Get them all in vCard, because this little ability to share and share by text and share by email makes your life so much easier. The other thing that you should know about here is, let's go back to the home screen, and on settings. On settings, you have a ability here to manage messaging when sharing right here. Let's click on that. Right now, this is the default message that's going out. But if you want to create a secondary message, and this is for those of you who have more than one vCard, especially like James, you saw he has more than one vCard. If he wants to have a different message that he sends out, he has one for his entrepreneur card, he has another one where he sends it out for the other business that he has. If he wants people to see a different message, he can add one by clicking on this pencil icon right here in the top right corner. I click on that and I can call this, my other message, or I can say James's message. So if I'm promoting James's business, I might even call it James, message, right? And then I would have my text here that I would send out every time with James's card. And I just save it. You can have a bunch of different messages here. So now when I come back here to share James's card, so I go back to my contacts, I click on James's card. If I want to share it, I click on share. So let's say I want to share by text. Now look at it, gives me a choice. I can choose which message I want to go out. So I can say I want to choose James's message, and it will use that message now when it sends it. So that's the beauty of vCard, and how you can easily refer your card to other people, but people can also refer you business through it. One thing I want to show you that's important to know for all of our iPhone users out there, there is a bug that Apple has in the system, which is causing lots of marketers out there lots of problems, and you should be aware of it too in case this happens to you. So I'll show you this first. What's happening is people are sending out their card and the link is not clickable, okay? So I've got an example in here, right here. You look at that, I can't click on that link for Gloria here. It's not clickable. Now, and that is happening, I think it's because she's not in my contacts yet, okay? And somehow it's trying to protect me. But what happens though is James did the same thing. James and I did an experiment, and this is something that's being posted all over the web right now because everyone's having the same exact problem with the links, and Apple's working to fix this issue. But James and I had this the same issue happened earlier. So he sent me this first card and this link was not clickable. So I said, James, send me another card. Send it to me again. The second time he sends it to you, both this link started to work and the link on the first card started to work. So the thing is if you're sharing your card with someone and the link isn't there and they can't see it, just send it to them one more time. Just send it to them a second time and then the links will all work. Hopefully Apple will have that fixed soon.